How to solve any algebraic equation graphically. In today's video, we will be seeing a linear equation and we will be taking a quadratic equation and we will try to solve both of them graphically. So let's begin with a linear equation. Let us take an equation as x plus 3 is equal to 0. And I ask you to find the solution of this equation graphically. I know algebraically it's very easy. You transpose 3 to the other side, take x as negative 3 and that's the solution. But how do we find it out graphically? Let us see here. So we take the equation as y is equal to x plus 3 and try plotting a curve for it. Okay, before plotting the curve, we need to see what is the degree of the above equation. Degree is the highest power of the variable and the degree here is 1. And please remember that the number of solutions which any equation has is always equal to its degree. If it's a quadratic, there will be 2 solutions. In this case, it's a linear with degree 1. So, number of solutions which we will have here will be 1. We have to plot y is equal to x plus 3 and we have to find those points for which our y is 0. That value of x will be our solution. So let us try plotting it. We'll take the x and the corresponding y. Y is x plus 3. We take x as 0. So y comes as 3. X as 1. Y comes as 4. Negative 1. Y is positive 2. When x is negative 2, y is 1. And when x is negative 3, we get y as 0. And we try to plot it. So we draw the set of perpendicular axes, the x-axis and the y-axis. Positive x-axis, positive y-axis, negative x-axis, negative y-axis. And try plotting these points. So when x is 0, we see y is 3. This is the point 0 and 3. When x is 1, y is 4. When x is 1, y is 4. We have the coordinates of the point, ordered pair. When x is negative 1, y is 2. Negative 1, 2. Then negative 2, 1. And negative 3, 0. And we try joining them. So we get a straight line. Okay, and this straight line is nothing but y is equal to x plus 3. To find the solution of this equation, we need to figure out the point for which our y is 0. And that is the point where the curve intersects the x-axis, because at that particular point, y will be 0. So this is x is equal to minus 3, which is the solution of your above equation. One solution as it's a linear equation. Let us quickly see what happens in case of a quadratic equation. So if our quadratic equation is, say, x square plus 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. We have to find the solution of it graphically. So we will take y is equal to x square plus 3x plus 2. Try plotting this curve and finding those values of x for which y is becoming 0. What is the degree of our equation? The degree is 2. So how many solutions do we have? We will have 2 solutions which we need to figure out. Okay, we'll try plotting it. So let us write the equation again here. Y is equal to x square plus 3x plus 2. Take x values and the corresponding y values by substituting here in this equation. So when x is 0, we get 0 square plus 3 into 0 plus 2, which gives you a 2. Similarly, when you get x as 1, you get y as 6. When x is negative 1, we get y as 0. When x is negative 2, we again get y as 0. When x is negative 3, we get y as 2. So we have got a couple of points so that we can plot the curve. Now let us try plotting it. Positive x-axis, positive y-axis, we will go till 6. The highest value here is 6. negative x-axis and the negative y-axis. Let us plot the points. X is 0, so y is 2, so this is the point here. X is 1, y is 6, this is the point here. When x is minus 1, y is 0. When x is minus 2, y is 0. And when x is minus 3, y is 2. Okay, and let us join. So we get a curve like this, a parabola. Okay, and what do we see? Where is our curve intersecting with the x-axis? It is intersecting at x is equal to minus 2 and x is equal to minus 1. So the solution of the above equation is x is equal to minus 2 or x is equal to minus 1. These two values of x, when substituted here, gives you y as 0. So these are called the solution, and two solutions because the degree was 2. So this is all about getting the solution of any algebraic equation graphically. The same works out for a cubic equation also. Plot the curve, see where all it is intersecting the x-axis, and you will get 3 solutions for a cubic equation. In our next video, we will see how do we solve a quadratic equation algebraically. Okay. So if you have any doubts regarding this video or finding the graphical solution of any algebraic equation, you can send me an email at kirti.mathacademy@gmail.com. And if you'd like my video, you can please subscribe to my YouTube channel Mathacademy.